Hiya folks, Bones here. Here's a very quick job I want to show you, especially for the new guys. You old sweats will know all about this, but anyone new into engineering and lathes, especially the Myford, will need to know this. You need to plug this hole whenever you've taken your compound slide off to do machining operations on the slide here. You might clamp something on here and do some machining operations. If you didn't plug this hole, all the bits of crap and crud would go down here into your slide ways, and over time it'd wear it down. So you can't just put a large piece of dowel in there, the correct size, or if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, a nice little aluminium one is a good half-an-hour job, and I think it looks a bit better than a lump of wood, to be honest. So there you go. So that's 47.5 across, 16mm with a channel in it for an O-ring seal, and the O-ring I've got in that is a what is it, an R28. So once you've taken your compound slide off, pop your slug in, clips nicely into place, and it stops all the crud getting into there while you're machining. And obviously when you've finished, quick wipe off, get as much off as you can, and I've put a thread in there just to retract it when done. Compound slide back on, bosh, job's a good one. There you go folks, nice half-an-hour job, and it's a nice satisfactory job when it's done as well. Have fun.